Stick around to the end for our #1 favorite, most impressive tech. Please make sure to comment below, as my favorite comment will be chosen to win a special Amazon gift card giveaway. And number 15 is the Nest Learning Thermostat. We've had one of these for about 5 years now, and it has become essential. It'll learn your temperature trends and will always work to keeping you as comfortable as possible. Number 14 is the Nest Outdoor Security Camera. We love these cameras created by Google. They offer 24/7 streaming and give you smart alerts if a person is detected. The Premium Pro version of this camera will even tell you who is outside your house. You'll also get instant quick previews on your smartwatch if you have one. Number 13 on the list is the Google Nest Mesh Wi-Fi. If you have trouble with connectivity and Wi-Fi range in your house, you need at least 2 of these. 3 is preferred in larger houses. Ever since we got 2 of these in our house, our connectivity has been strong and consistent. Number 12 on the list is the Amazon Fire Recast. Smart, voice-activated DVR has been created for your HD antenna. It's 2020 and it's time to cut the cord. Price-wise, it is a little steep at first, but I actually paid for it monthly for less than what it would have cost me for cable to have my same NFL games. And I had it paid off before last year's NFL season was even over. Number 11 on the list is the Amazon Fire TV Stick. This smart streaming stick just needs an HDMI port on your TV and voila, you have a smart TV with all of the best shows. You can even search with your voice using the included remote. Even if you lose your remote, you can find it easily with our next item on the list, the remote finder attachment for the Amazon Fire TV Stick. It's 2020 and you should never have to search for your remote again. This attachment has a blinking light and loud beeping noise to always be able to quickly locate your controller. I love this attachment so much that I actually created an entire video on how to use it. You can watch that video here or click on the link in the details below. At number 9 is also an Amazon device, the Amazon Echo Smart Speaker, which a lot of people falsely like to call Alexa. We use this thing for everything. Setting timers, quick recipes, quick answers, controlling smart home devices, telling us jokes, playing music for us, and many other things. We use this thing a little too much actually, but we love it. She's actually kind of part of our family now, so don't you dare say one bad thing about her. Number 8 on the list is the Larq Self Cleaning water bottle. I could not believe it when I first heard about this thing. At the touch of a button, it uses UV technology to purify your water within only 30 seconds. It also keeps your drinks cold for 24 hours and hot for 12 hours. And get this, its rechargeable battery lasts for up to a month on a full charge. Number 7, a Sodastream. For all you sodaholics out there, stop it. Soda is really bad for you, but it doesn't have to be. With Sodastream, you can make your own sodas or seltzer waters with whatever flavors you want. My favorite is lemon juice mixed with stevia sweetener. It tastes amazing, and it's way healthier. I, personally, no longer miss regular soda because of this thing. Number 6 on the list is the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Make sure to check out my full unboxing and review of this amazing phone. It's one of the fastest phones out there, and from all of my tests, the absolute best quality photos and videos that you can get on a smartphone as well. Also, for my 5G tests here in downtown Dallas, it was up to 10 times faster than 4G. This 5G speed is going to change everything once it goes mainstream. At number 5, the Apple Watch Series 6. You know, I never realized how much I would actually use my Apple Watch, but it is super helpful to not have to pick up my phone for most notifications. Having all of my necessary info live and up to date with a flick of my wrist has been awesome. You'll find that not having to pick up your phone nearly as much will keep you from wasting a lot of time with pointless things on your phone. At number 4, the Tile Pro Tracker. It seems like there's nothing more stressful than not being able to find your keys when you're already late. Also, being able to connect this to a smart speaker so that you can just ask it where your keys are is super handy as well. Alexa, find my keys.
Did I ring Justin's keys?
Yes. Also, the app will even show you where your keys are on a map. Number 3 is the Nintendo Switch. We just got this for our son, and let me tell you, he would play this thing all day if we let him. It's a really fun video game system that has a lot of games that are fun for the whole family to play together. We normally have it hooked up to our TV, but it can detach and go portable as well. Number 2, the PlayStation 5. Oh my gosh, this thing is a beast, both in size and by what it can do. You can click here or below for my full unboxing and review. And with this, this, make sure to get a 4K OLED TV like the one in the comments below. This outstanding 4K TV is at an insane price right now. And with Alexa built in, your wish is its command. It looks stunning, and you know it's time to finally make that leap to 4K, especially if you're getting a PlayStation 5. And number 1 on my list, the Samsung Galaxy Fold 2. Okay, yes, the iPhone is great and all, but this is my favorite phone that I've ever played with. As some of you may know, this foldable phone is both a tablet and a phone. It's super fast, has 2 screens, 1 external screen and a massive internal screen, 5 cameras, incredible multitasking for up to 3 apps in split screen mode. If I could get only one gift for this Christmas, this would be it. It's an extremely underrated, revolutionary device, and I really think more brands will be adopting more foldable options soon. Also, please make sure to like and subscribe to be entered in to win my weekly Amazon gift card giveaway. Thanks for watching, guys. I love you guys. God bless.